Attach waterproof covers to the lamp ports. Rotate the bracket gently until it clicks into place. To insert the TF card, align it with the slot and gently press until it clicks into place. Drill holes in the wall, line up the bracket and screw it in place. Power on the device.
System starting up. Wait to be configured.
Download the INSE Cam app and register an account. Open the app, tap the plus button, choose Add Security Camera and select Bluetooth Camera. Click Next, select a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and enter the password. Then click Next to proceed. Your camera is now connected and ready to monitor your surroundings.